a fix, call them quick. Brothers Plumbing got your pick. Rich and his buddy, they don't quit. 40 years they've made it stick. Pipes or burst leaks, that spurt, they got the skills to stop the hurt. Commercial pros in every way. Trust them all night, trust them all day. Brothers Plumbing on the go, from the small to the grand show. Trust in them, your expert crew, making all your pipe dreams true. Smooth and cool, they handle tools, never making you feel like fools. Jobs done right with careful flair, you'll feel safe when they are there. Over 40 years come by, experience that blows your mind. Rich and partner lead the way, fix your problems, no delay. Brothers Plumbing on the go, from the small to the grand show. Trust in them, your expert crew, making all your pipe dreams true.